With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. The question is the mass and the diameter of the planet are 3 times the respective values for the Earth. Fine. The period of oscillation of the simple pendulum on Earth is 2 seconds, and the period of oscillation of the same pendulum on that planet would be. So we have to find the period of oscillation for that simple pendulum at that planet. We know the time period of a simple pendulum is given by the formula of 2 pi under root of L by g, where g is what? Acceleration due to gravity at that planet. Fine. Now, we also know that g depends on mass and radius of the planet. So small g has value of g m by r square. Fine. So if mass and radius of a planet are different, g is going to be different. If g is going to be different, obviously the time period will also be different. So let's calculate the relation between g, then we can able to calculate the relation between the time period. So I am writing it. We can say that g, capital G, is constant. So g, that is acceleration due to gravity, is directly proportional to the mass and inversely proportional to the what? Radius square. Fine. Now let's talk about I can write according to this: g of planet divided by g on earth. We know for mass it is directly proportional, so it will be mass of planet divided by mass of earth, but radius is inversely proportional, so I can write radius of earth divided by radius of planet whole square. And we have given that here some data. Let's check out. The mass and diameter of the planet are 3 times. Mass is 3 times of the earth. So from this I am write mass of planet by mass of earth can easily be 3. Second part, that diameter. So we know that ratio of diameter will be same as ratio of their radius, because what is radius? It's just half of the diameter. So if any ratio that is get halved, it will remain same. So RE by RP can be written as 1 by, putting these values here, this is 3 into 1 by 3 whole square, that comes out to be 1 by 9 into 3, find out to be 1 by 3. This is the relation between, this is G of P divided by G of E is 1 by 3. We have found this relation. Now let's talk about the time period. We know the time period is inversely proportional to this one, so I can write length and 2 pi is constant, so I can write time period is inversely proportional to under root of g. So we have to find the time period at the planet divided by time period of the earth is what? Under root of g of earth divided by under root of g of planet. So it becomes what? Root of 3 times from here. So again I can write time period at that planet is root 3 times time period at the earth, and time period at the earth is given in the question as 2 seconds. So time period at that planet for the pendulum is going to be 2 root 3 seconds. Fine. So 2 root 3 seconds is our correct answer. It represents the time period of the pendulum at that planet. I hope you have got your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.